Hello friends, in today's competitive business environment, customer satisfaction is very important for success of a business. That's why it should be managed very tactfully. In my opinion, customer satisfaction has two aspects and both the aspects must be managed very tactfully in order to have a successful business at the end. The first aspect is end users aspect. I mean the aspect of the people who are using a particular product or services uh, on daily basis. Their satisfaction aspect must be managed by business organizations very tactfully. And the second one is the customer satisfaction aspects of the decision makers. These are the people who takes decision on the continuity or discontinuity of a particular product or services for uses of a group of people. So by a business organization, customer satisfaction aspects for both these people must be managed very tactfully. In most of the cases, decision maker aspect is managed very well, but end user aspect is ignored. Most of the business organization try to measure or assess the decision maker satisfaction aspect at certain time interval, but most of the occasions they ignore the end user aspects. But the end user are the people who keep building the mindset of decision makers on daily basis, because they are the people who use product or services being provided by a business organization, and they create the mindset of decision makers uh, very frequently. That's why by the time a business organization approaches the decision maker with a customer survey, um, many times the results are not as expected, despite providing good product and services to them. Because the end user aspect of customer satisfaction is not measured or assessed or managed tactfully. That's why, in my suggestion, every business organization must uh, pay attention to the end user aspect of customer satisfaction as well, and they should try to measure and assess end user satisfaction aspect more frequently than decision makers one, because this aspect is creating the satisfaction or dissatisfaction mindset of decision makers almost on daily basis. So if end user satisfaction level is assessed uh, at a very frequent time interval, and right actions are being taken to correct the things, then decision makers will be definitely satisfied with the product and services, and they will continue with the product and services for a longer period of time. Hope this video will be informative for you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.